Story Fun Hub. Let's go.
In a small, peaceful village, there lived a kind and hard-working girl named Shim Cheong. She lived with her blind father, and they loved each other very much.
Father, here's your breakfast. I hope you like it.
Thank you, my dear Cheong. You always take such good care of me.
Shim Cheong did her best to take care of her father, cooking, cleaning, and making sure he was always happy. One day, Shim Cheong's father went to the village temple to pray for his eyesight.
Please, grant me my sight so I can see my daughter's beautiful face.
While he was there, he overheard a monk talking about a miracle.
If someone offers 300 bags of rice to the temple, they will be blessed with a miracle.
I promise to give 300 bags of rice if my eyesight is restored.
But he was very poor and didn't know how he could fulfill this promise. When Shim Cheong found out about her father's promise, she was worried because they had no money to buy even one bag of rice.
Father, how will we ever get 300 bags of rice?
However, she heard that a group of sailors needed a young girl to offer to the Dragon King of the Sea in exchange for 300 bags of rice.
Any young girl who volunteers will save her family from poverty.
I will do it for my father.
Even though she was scared, Shim Cheong bravely decided to sacrifice herself for her father. The sailors took Shim Cheong to the sea. The waves were high, and the journey was scary.
Hold on tight, Shim Cheong. We are almost there.
I am not afraid. I am doing this for my father.
Though the waves were rough and high, Shim Cheong's courage soared, and she reached the Dragon King's palace. In the beautiful underwater palace, Shim Cheong met the Dragon King.
You are very brave and kind, Shim Cheong. Your love for your father is admirable.
Thank you, Dragon King. I only wish for my father's sight to be restored.
The Dragon King was moved by her bravery and kindness. He decided to send her back to the land safely.
You will return safely, and your father's wish will come true.
When Shim Cheong returned, she discovered that her father could see again.
Cheong, I can see! I can see you!
Father, it's a miracle. The Dragon King kept his promise.
The villagers were amazed by her story and celebrated her return.
Shim Cheong, you are truly brave. What a wonderful story.
Shim Cheong and her father lived happily ever after, surrounded by the love and respect of their neighbors.
My daughter, you have a heart of gold.
We are together, Father. That's all that matters.
My dear listener, as we reach the end of our story, I hope you found a valuable lesson. Remember, the moral of this tale is: the tale of Shim Cheong beautifully illustrates that a daughter's love for her father can inspire incredible acts of courage and selflessness. Shim Cheong's willingness to sacrifice herself to fulfill her father's promise to the Dragon King demonstrates the depth of her love and devotion. Her bravery leads to the restoration of her father's sight, bringing immense happiness and respect to their lives. This story teaches us that genuine love and selflessness have the power to overcome daunting challenges and create extraordinary positive changes in our lives and the lives of those we cherish. Remember, we should cherish and express our love for our parents while they are still with us, for their love and presence are precious beyond measure. Before I bid you farewell, Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more stories like this. Thank you for watching. Happy Father's Day to all father out there.